In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the color bomb filter on TikTok. So I'm on the TikTok Discover page, and as you can see right here, it is a trending effect. So you might want to go ahead and use it. So to go ahead and use it, what you want to do once you've loaded up TikTok is tap on this Discover page by tapping on the little magnifying icon that says Discover, and it'll take you to this page. Then you want to scroll all the way to the top where it says search. And then in the search bar, you want to search for color bomb. And then you want to tap on the first result, and there you can see it says effects and it says color bomb. And then you can go ahead and click on the effects. You can go ahead and tap on add to favorites, or you can go ahead and try it with the little camera button at the bottom. Now if you're not seeing it on the effects page by searching for color bomb, you can go back and then you can tap on the little plus in the middle at the bottom. And there where it says effects at the bottom left, you can tap on effects and it says trending. And then you can see the color bomb is the first effect. You can go ahead and click on it. And then you can go ahead and record your video from here if you're not seeing it from the search bar. And this is what the filter looks like in action. It is pretty cool. You can do some pretty cool effects with it. So that is how you get the color bomb filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.